Sydney, let's try something new. I'm going to make videos just for you, and I'm going to try to make them really easy. We're not even going to go to the questions. I'm just going to give you stuff to write down. So today's lesson is on habitats. So let's take a look at this. What is a microhabitat? Write this down for me. First of all, write down on your piece of paper science, or SCI, period, 10.3. That's unit 10, lesson 3. So sci or science, if you don't want to write out the whole word science, just do sci and put a dot after it, 10.3 or 10,3 or 10:3, whichever one you want to write. Okay, now write this down on the next line. Number 1, microhabitat. Okay, now you're telling me microhabitat, that's your answer. And what was the question? The question was, what is a very small specialized habitat contained within a larger environment? And you just put down number 1, microhabitat. So you got that right. Great. Okay. Now let's go to this. A habitat is basically the home of one species of animals or plants. So question number 2, what is a home? What is the name of a home for a type of species or plant? So here's the question. What is the home of one species of animal or plant? And so you should have down number 2, habitat. And you can read it right here, but if you can't see it, I'll spell it. Habitat. Okay, what does a habitat include? A habitat includes 3 things. So please write this down. Number 3, food, shelter, and physical environment. Now just let me see if I can make this larger, because I want you to really be able to read it. I think I got it. Let's see if this helps you. Oh, shucks, that's really big. Okay, so your first answer was microhabitat. Number 1, microhabitat. Number 2, habitat. Number 3, what does it include? Let's get back over here and see our answer. Food, shelter, and physical environment. Very good. Now let's come down here and look at the next. You're almost done your lesson for today. Plants live in particular habitats as well. Many people have tried and failed to make plants grow in their homes and gardens. Those who are successful have learned enough about the plant species to recreate the conditions of their habitat. So basically this is just telling us that you need to have all animals and all plants need to be able to have their specific habitat to live. So all animals have features specially adapted to their habitats. So if a polar bear has really thick shaggy hair, he needs to stay in a cold habitat because he was designed for that. So basically they are designed to live the way they need to in their habitat. Here's an example. A toucan's large beak helps him eat fruits from the trees. An eagle's sharp claws helps him snatch up the animals. Alligators have scales instead of fur and feathers. This allows the alligators to lie in the water for long periods of time. So here is your next question. What allows alligators, what allows alligators to lay in the water for a long time? What allows alligators to live in the water for a long time? Please write down the next number. I think we're on 4. Number 4, scales. Number 4, scales. Okay, you only have one more and you are done science in such a super quick time. Oh, rabbits' ears are their defense against predators. I never even knew that. Okay, one more. Here we go. We already did microhabitat. Let's go back up. So a microhabitat is a very small, specialized habitat. So it's for tiny little tiny species. So what type of little species might live in a microhabitat? I highlighted the answer for you in yellow because it's your answer, insects. So you could either say insects or name an insect like fly, ant, whatever. But please name what might live in a microhabitat. And that's it, you're done. 1 through 5, snap a picture of it, send it to me. Okay, Sydney, I hope this really worked out with you. If you'll do this with me, once a day, watch a video. It's 5 minutes. I'll give you the answers. You only have to do the 5 answers. I just gave them to you today, but hey, at least you're doing the material. This will get people off your back. If you just want to be successful and be left alone, if you want to get over some of these things like the ankle monitor, the lack of freedom, all this stuff, whatever, just work with me. Your mom will be happy. Miss Rios will be happy. Your probation officer will be happy. The judge will be happy, and it'll make life easier for you. So please just text me 1 time a day, a quick hello, and watch a 5-minute video and write the answers down, and you will be good every day. So please consider that. Okay, talk to me soon. Send me a text. I read it. I did it. Snap a picture of your answers and send them to me too so that I can put it in the grade book for you. Oh, and you'll save your grades. Okay, bye.